To express similarity or equality, as tall as good as fast as much as, she is as tall as her brother. This movie is as good as the book. To indicate a role or function, as a teacher, as a parent, as a friend, as a leader. She works as a teacher in a local school. He served as a leader during the project. To show time or condition, as soon as long as far as early as. Call me as soon as you arrive. You can stay here as long as you like. To express reason or cause, as he explained, as you know, as expected, as I thought. We canceled the trip as it was raining heavily. She was late, as expected. To compare actions or states, as much as well as often as quickly as had, she works as much as she can to support her family. He runs as quickly as possible during the race. To indicate a manner or way as instructed, as planned, as required, as stated. Complete the form as instructed. Everything went as planned. To highlight examples, as an example, as demonstrated, as shown, as evidenced. He used this situation as an example to explain the concept. The solution was practical, as demonstrated in the experiment. To express a condition in similes, as light as a feather, as strong as an ox, as cold as ice, as bright as day. This scarf is as light as a feather. He is as strong as an ox. Common collocations with as a result, as a matter of fact, as such, as usual. She didn't study much and, as a result, didn't perform well. He was late, as usual. There are no problems as such with the proposal.